Kathleen working at my bird sanctuary today. There are so many wonderful birds here, so many different kinds. There's the nightingale, the goose, the canary, kiwi, the swan, and this big bird here is a cassowary. I'm the ranger on the scene, looking after bird life. I'm Ranger Kathleen. Kathleen, a birdie's friend, on that you can depend. I'll make sure that they eat and they breathe. What's your name? Ranger Kathleen. I'm looking for new spaces in this sanctuary for these birds because it's really crowded around here. I thought I'd sort them into pairs so each bird has a new friend. Okay, but what birds go together? Oh, well, these two birds here are brown. And these two birds over here have black bodies and have wings. Well, that just leaves the yellow bird and the white bird. Oh, but they're not really a pair. Well, maybe colour isn't the best way to pair off these birds.
Oh, Chip Bluebird! Tweet, tweet, tweet!
Tweet, tweet? That sounds like another birdie. Hello, birdie. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet, tweet!
Oh, hey, what's this? Well, maybe the bird dropped it. A piece of blue material. Blue and shiny. Looks a bit like water. Hey, well, maybe I can make a swimming pond for the birds. Okay, but what birds like to swim? Let's see. The swan. They like to swim in the water. Great. Okay, well, do any other birds swim? The goose. You like to swim in the water, don't you? Fantastic.
Tweet-a-woo! Tweet-a-woo!
Wow, that sounds like a lovely bird song. Tweet-a-woo!
Tweet-a-woo! Tweet-a-woo!
Tweet-a-woo! Where are you? Are you hiding up in this tree, birdie? Hey, well, maybe I can perch some birds up here in the branches. Well, I'll need some birds that fly. Aha! The nightingale likes to fly, and so does the canary. Okay, birds, there you go. Up high in the tree, so you can fly around. Okay, so I found some spaces for two birds in the water and two birds in the tree. Now, what am I going to do with you two? Well, you guys don't like to fly and you don't swim, but you do like to run on the ground. Yeah, that's great. Well, there's plenty of space to run around here. There. Okay, so two bird friends in the water, two in the tree, and two on the ground. Ranger Kathleen, you've done it. I'm the ranger on the scene, looking after bird life. I'm Ranger Kathleen.
Kathleen! Kathleen!
A birdie's friend, on that you can depend. I'll make sure that they eat and they breathe.
Tweet, tweet! What's your name?
Ranger Kathleen.